heart to heart with this question that I'd like to ask, that wala ba ano nakita na potential nga you will go very high, although you have joined the Hiyas ng Pilipinas, but are you willing to take the risk in joining Miss Universe?
What? Actually, dagang gasulti na. Join daw Binibini or Miss Universe. I mean, it's a very big dream for me to join those very prestigious pageants. But right now, I think the focus is for me to live my life here in Davao. It probably isn't in my cards right now again, but if ano naman po, if the opportunity arrives, maybe sometime next year or 2 years from now, we'll see. Yun lang.
So very let's look forward to that kung matuman gyud ang imo ang gibuhi nga pulong kay monitoring baya ang mga pageant aficionados, mga enthusiasts, and as well kay naka-cover naman kog pipila ka pageants. So